Well, hello, everybody. It's Doug Rucker with DougRuckerStore.com and DougRuckerSchool.com. Hey, you've been hearing us talk a lot about our Cocoa, Florida pressure washing training event coming up in February 22nd through the 24th. We're going to be teaching you how to clean a building, how to clean a roof. We're going to teach you how to do parking lot striping, and we're having our Difference Makers conference as well. So my brother Dean is on site at the King Street Baptist Church, and he's going to do kind of a walkthrough, just kind of give you a feel of what we're going to be doing and what we're going to be teaching. So let's go to Dean coming up next.
Good afternoon. I'm Dean Rucker with DougRuckerSchool.com and DougRuckerStore.com, coming to you from King Street Baptist Church right here in Cocoa, Florida. We're excited to announce that Doug Rucker and Jeffrey Blackman are coming right here to Central Florida for a live in-person training event February 22, 23, and 24. And listen, you don't want to miss it. In fact, we want to take a few minutes in this video and explain exactly what you can look forward to, what you can expect over the 3-day training event. And be sure and take a minute and ask any questions in the comments below. We respond quickly. And so just take a few minutes, check out this video, and see what it's all about. First off, on Thursday, February 22nd, Doug Rucker will be providing hands-on power wash, soft wash training right here on the church campus. First of all, you'll learn roof cleaning. We're going to teach you how to properly spray a roof using the proper spray technique that will help you prevent flooding the roof and causing excessive runoff. Man, this is the number one thing you have to learn about cleaning roofs. We will also spend quite a bit of time going over property protection, including keeping plants and landscape areas protected, areas of a house and building that are not necessarily the roof, but areas and surfaces that you will need to protect, and we will go over how you can protect those areas. And then building washing. We will spend a good portion of time talking to you about how to set up on a job site. We'll talk about visualizing the job from beginning to end, the things that we look for that need property protection, and you will be able to actively participate as we clean the exterior walls of the church. That's right. You get to actually use the wand and clean and rinse various sections of the building. When you arrive on the job site, where and how you set up determines to a large degree how successful that job is going to go. We want the job to flow so you're not wasting time and energy, and you're productive from the moment you arrive to the moment that you leave. You'll get to use Doug's brand new rig that he's building right now, and this will be the first project that the rig is unveiled. So we're excited to invite you for roof cleaning, for building washing, and then also you'll learn concrete cleaning. Although the parking lot is all asphalt, we do have plenty of concrete areas to clean, sidewalks and such, which again, you'll be able to actively participate and use the surface cleaner to clean concrete. He'll teach you proper hose management, challenges that cleaning concrete can pose, and different types of surfaces that you will run across and how to clean those as well. He will also discuss with you parking lot cleaning, and Jeff will cover some of that as well in his parking lot striping course on Saturday. We'll cover property protection. Property protection boils down to 3 things. Know where your bleach will land, know what it can do when it gets there, and then protect there. Property protection is the number one priority in exterior cleaning. And suffice it to say, a large amount of our time will be spent talking about this issue. Doug always says anyone can spray water and bleach, but the success comes in how well you protect the property. If you break items or kill something like plants or grass, it could ruin your profits and literally put you out of business. And so Doug will show you exactly the links that he goes to in protecting the property, as well as the items that he uses and how he deploys those. So roof cleaning, building washing, concrete cleaning, property protection, all of that hands-on training on Thursday, February 22. Then on Friday, February 23rd, Doug and Jeff Blackman will host their Difference Makers Conference.
The last time Ray ride through there, Ray was riding through on the bike. He started riding a little slower, observing things. He said, "Hey, I can solve the problem."
This is an opportunity to sit down with them and hear from them on various topics that will help grow your small business. They'll begin with casting a vision. They'll move on to some other topics such as mind mapping and getting commercial accounts, building relationships with customers. We'll have some guest speakers zoomed in. Kelsey, we think, is lined up to do money matters. And so she's going to talk about taxes and accounting and how to handle your finances. This Difference Makers Conference is not just for those that are in the pressure washing business, though. This is ideal for anyone that has a small home service business and you want to grow it. So it might be a house cleaning business or lawn care. It could be interior design or maybe a plumbing business, handyman service, pool care, home inspections, electrical, roofing, flooring, carpet, appliance repair, pest control, and on the list goes. This Difference Makers Conference is going to provide some of the very basic fundamentals that you need to help grow your business. And so that's Friday, February 23rd. And then Saturday, February 24th, Jeffrey Blackman is bringing his Mr. Shine Power Wash, Mr. Shine Stripe a Lot Easy as 1, 2, 3 parking lot stripe training right there on our church campus. First, you'll enjoy classroom training going over some of the marketing, some of the ADA laws and requirements, equipment and paint selection, stencils that you need, pricing jobs, and so much more. And then we'll actually go outside onto the church parking lot and you'll experience hands-on training as you participate with Jeff striping the entire parking lot. That includes handicap spots, car stops, the white stripes that mark the parking spots as well. So whatever else it might take to bring the entire parking lot into full compliance with ADA laws and requirements, and you'll again get to experience hands-on training with Jeff's equipment. So you don't want to miss that. You want to sign up for that. If you're wanting to start a parking lot striping business or maybe add striping to your power wash or pressure washing business, this is a great opportunity. So we're talking about 3 days of jam-packed training. Thursday, hands-on power wash training. Friday, the Difference Makers Conference. Saturday, hands-on stripe training. Just go to pressurewashingschool.com/events and you can see all the details there. Each day is priced individually as 3 different events. But listen, you can save money if you purchase an all-access pass and plan on being a part of all 3 days. Again, it's conveniently located right here in Cocoa, Florida. We are right at the intersection of I-95 and 528. So if you're coming from anywhere in the country, you can probably find a fairly cheap flight into Orlando, and you can get here within an hour. And then if you're here in Central Florida, you can drive from Jacksonville, from Miami, for the most part around 3 hours or so, less than that even, from Orlando, anywhere in Central Florida, under 2 hours. So it's really an ideal location. And listen, we've got some great things here in Cocoa. We have the world famous Ron John's Surf Shop, which you might want to visit before or after your training days. We've got Port Canaveral, which has some of the big cruise ships that go out, including the new Disney Wish there. We've got the Kennedy Space Center. You might even see a rocket launch. Who knows? SpaceX with Elon Musk. You might even get to see a rocket launch at night. It's a pretty incredible sight. So I don't know exactly what's lined up for that week at this point, but maybe come before the training, stay after. We've got Holiday Inn Express and Hampton Inns nearby. And so come on and enjoy 3 days of jam-packed training when Doug Rucker and Jeffrey Blackman come right here to King Street Baptist Church in Cocoa, Florida.
Well, thanks, Dean. Appreciate all that. Just wanted to make sure you guys got to see or have an opportunity to see where we're actually going to be doing the training. So, hey, go to pressurewashingschool.com/events and get registered, get signed up. If you need more information, feel free to text me or call 281-883-3630. This is going to be 3 days of just jam-packed training, like Dean said. And it's just you can sign up for individual days if you want to, but we have a reduced rate if you sign up for what's called the All Access Pass, where you attend all 3 days of the training. So again, pressurewashingschool.com/events is where you can get signed up and registered. And again, text me or call me 281-883-3630 if you have any questions. And then if you have any questions about our store products or a rig build like the Cocoa rig, then hit me up at info@dougruckerstore.com. Hey, y'all have a very, very blessed day, and I hope to see you soon in Cocoa, Florida.
Hey, get online, register today. I wouldn't miss this for nothing in the world.